Hello, welcome to DIY Gifts. We're so excited that you registered online and picked up your craft kit at the Centerville branch. Are you ready to learn how to make a scrapbook? First, let's open up our kits and see what's inside. We have the scrapbook, which is made from brown paper lunch bags, ribbon or yarn, peel and stick foam sheets or shapes, and a lot of other craft materials. Take a minute and look at what you got in your kit. Okay, now let's get started. The first step to make your scrapbook is to take the book made out of brown paper lunch bags and a piece of the ribbon or yarn. Make sure the holes in the scrapbook are aligned so the ribbon goes through easily. Put the ribbon or yarn through the first hole and tie it. You can make either a bow or a knot. Great job! Now, let's do the same thing for the other two holes. Perfect. Now our scrapbook is ready to decorate. Each of you will have a paper shape similar to this one in your kit. This is to go on the first page of your scrapbook. You can use either glue or tape to stick the decorations on the pages. Great. The rest of the scrapbook is for you to decorate however you want. Use the craft supplies in your kit to make your scrapbook into a beautiful gift for someone you love. If you have them, you can add pictures of yourself or your family, like this. Or you can draw pictures on the empty pages, like this. Here is a finished scrapbook that we made at the library. I know whoever you give your scrapbook to will love it because of the effort and creativity that you put into it. Have fun making your scrapbook, and thanks for listening.